Hi angels, hi my angels, hi my loves, hi my peeps. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I have a short quick little TJMAXX haul, but the main reason that I came back today on camera is I wanted to do the giveaway winner announcement. So you guys know we have a giveaway for Crocs on my channel, and if you like Crocs, go ahead, hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload videos on these Crocs. I have a giveaway going on right now if you don't know, and every couple of days when I do a video, I'm going to be announcing the winners of the Crocs. So this video right here is the announcement for the size 10 winners. And since I had made you guys wait a little minute, a little longer than last time, I figured I'm going to pull two names today. These are the Crocs size 10s, and I'll be pulling two names. So when whoever contacts me first, let me know which one you want. If you want the daisy ones, the white daisy ones, or if you want the blue ones. And both are super pretty. Both are super, super pretty, so it's a win-win either way. Whoever contacts me first, you'll be by email or by DM on Instagram. You'll be able to pick which pair of the Crocs you want in the size 10. Also, how we play the game is I need for you guys to go ahead and comment on the video and like this video as well as like the original video on the Crocs giveaway. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. This is a woman's size 8, so we'll be raffling off this pair right here. It's a woman's size 8 in the blue. And after the 10s, and don't worry my divas, I have more 10s, so we're going to give away two 10s today, and we'll be back later at another time in another video to give away some more size 10s. However, today, you guys just go ahead and leave Croc size 8 because I had somebody request the Croc size 8 down in the comments down below. Like this video, like the original video on my Crocs giveaway, hit the like button. You have to be subscribed to the channel to enter. I will check, as well as put Croc size 8 down in the comments below. And that's how you'll be entered for this in a couple of days. I'll be back with another video and we'll raffle off the size 8. I do have, quickly I wanted to go over with you guys, just a quick little TJMAXX haul, and then I have the giveaway entries right here. So before we go ahead and do that, I just wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about a quick little haul that I did at TJMAXX. So the first thing that I picked up was, I had already had these Betsey Johnson glasses for the summer, and I thought they were so super cute, and I ended up finding them on clearance, you guys. So I had this pair right here, and I ended up finding them on clearance. They have the little daisies around them. They're just so super cute. They look like little Elton John glasses. And then I ended up finding them in this, you guys, in the white. So I ended up picking them up. You guys would not believe I caught a steal of a deal on these cute little glasses. So I wanted to go ahead and pick them up, and I thought they were so cute. And I know summertime is really over right now. We're kind of going into fall, but I'm going to be able to rock these out in the summer next year, or, on a warm sunny day right now until the weather changes. I just thought they were super cute, and they're Betsey Johnson. So I picked these up. The next thing that I picked up in my TJMAXX haul was these items right here. So I just thought these would look so cute with my planner. So I have 3 of them, and they're 3 little booklets. And they're so cute. They have a lady on the front of each of them, and they're super cute and adorable. So this is what they look like, and I just thought they were super cute, and I thought they would look really nice with my planner. When I carry my Coach planner, I just thought that they would look really cute in my handbag. I went ahead and picked these up at TJMAXX, and the name of this company is Janetta, that sells these little booklets. And they're going to be so cute. You guys know we all are crazy about the different planners. On my channel, I love the Wrong DeVoe planners, and just a lot of cute little notebooks and different things when you could, jot down different notes on. So these 3 little booklets I thought was so adorable for the price at TJMAXX, and I thought they would look so cute with my Coach planner or my Coach notebook. So I picked those up, and then the next couple of items that I picked up, just a small little haul at TJMAXX, was some lip glosses. So I like the brand. It comes in TJMAXX. It's called Get Fruity, and I have some of their lotions. So their lip balms came in, and it came in the coconut, the cherry, and the peach. So I went ahead and picked that up, as well as it also came in, I have it again here in the same brand, and I didn't realize that at the time, but I did have it right there again in the cherry, the coconut, and the peach. And then I couldn't resist these. I could not resist this lip balm set. It has citrus, pink, coconut, mango tango, fruit punch or palm punch, and berry mash. So I picked up these fruity flavors right here. So I went ahead and picked this up in my TJMAXX haul. Let's go ahead and get started with the giveaway announcement. Really quickly, I just wanted to come on camera and do a quick little video to, go ahead and announce the winners for the size 10. So these are all the entries. I think I pretty much got everybody that entered for the size 10. Tara's Makeup and Handbags. Hi, Tara. Rotonda Whitaker, DJ King, Rhonda Beard, Toria Jenkins, Carla Longerbeam, Mixed Rapunzels, Angie Hart 67, Tiara versus TT, Cheryl Shelton, Rissa's Mukbang and ASMR, Luxy Days, Patuk Barber Kai Dai, Assunta Palladino, Pandora Pink, RPB, and Poke Players. So that's everybody that entered for the giveaway. Drum roll. Okay, so I have all the giveaway entries in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a good shake. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick 2 people for the winners. And I am going to, in the future, I'm going to try to go ahead and use the comment picker. But for right now, you guys, I'm old school. I just went ahead and put the names in here, the entries, and we're going to go ahead and see who won. These are the 10s over here. So the 2 size 10s. Remember, you're going to go ahead after I announce the giveaway winners and let me know which one you want. Whoever contacts me first, you'll have first choice at which one of the 2 that you would like. So let me go ahead and open it up. Let's see who won. Drum roll. Rhonda Beard. Congratulations, Rhonda. Rhonda Beard is one of our winners. So go ahead, Rhonda, and you can contact me at my email, saltgirl860@gmail.com, or you can DM me at lvluxegirl on Instagram. And the next winner is, let's see who this is, Mixed Rapunzels. Mixed Rapunzels. So the 2 giveaway winners, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the 2 giveaway winners are Rhonda Beard and Mixed Rapunzel this time around for the size 10. And always remember, I say all the time, even if you won a previous giveaway, go ahead and enter, because chances are you might win again. You can win more than one time if you enter. And I do have another size 10. So we're giving these 2 away, Rhonda Beard and Mixed Rapunzel. Congratulations, you're my winners for the size 10s. And I'm gonna come back in an additional video and the raffle off the next size 10. So you size 10 divas out there, you still go ahead, watch the videos and watch out for when I go ahead and do the giveaway for the size 10 the next time around. Remember, in this video down below, you have to like the video, you have to be subscribed to the channel, as well as go ahead, give me a like and like the original giveaway video, and put Croc size 8 for this pair right here. This is the one I'm gonna come back in a couple of days and give away. But in the meantime, yay! Rhonda Beard, congratulations, and Mixed Rapunzels. I hope you guys enjoy your Crocs. Also, send me a picture of you wearing them or how you style them so I can see how they look with your gibbets. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. And go ahead, you guys, enter the giveaway. I'm having so much fun doing the giveaway on the channel. And stay tuned for more handbag videos. I'll definitely be back with more additional videos. And I'll see you guys soon in another video.